Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Beauty is joy forever. In this video, I can tell you about nail designs. Artificial nails and your nail size can you enhance your hand's beauty according to your occasions and your moods. Artificial nails can act as a protective barrier for weak or brittle nails. They provide an extra layer that helps shield and natural nails from external factors, reducing the risk of damage and promoting nails health. Nail enhancement. Artificial nails can enhance the appearance of the natural nails. They can use to create a flawless, smooth surface and cover imperfections such as ridges, discoloration, or unevennesses in the natural nails. Nail art options. Artificial nails offer a large canvas for nail art and designs. They provide a stable base for intricate pattern, colors, and embellishment that can be difficult to achieve on natural nails. Long-lasting results. By using these artificial nails, you can achieve properly applied and maintained. Artificial nails can last for several weeks before requiring a fill or the touch-up. This longevity can be convenient for those who prefer not to constantly paint and maintain their nails. All these about nails, artificial nails, these designs according to your mood, your summers, your weathers, and your occasions. Artificial nails can provide instant length and aesthetic improvement if someone has short nails or has a special event coming up. Artificial nails can offer a quick solution to achieve the desired look. It is important to note that while the artificial nails have their benefits, they also require the proper application, maintenance, and removal to avoid the potential damages to the natural nails. In these videos, you can show all about natural artificial nails and their benefits, their beauty that can enhance your hand's beauty. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and share these videos to your loved ones.